Before I start, guys, you gotta go down and subscribe to the channel because I'm doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway of gift cards, so please hit the subscribe button. And at 100 subscribers, I'm gonna be giving something away. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Unbox Everything channel. And today we're gonna be unboxing the Apple Watch from Wish. It is a clone, or whatever it is, from Wish. We're just gonna pull it out. There it is. There's that. It looks pretty good. I mean, it's in a good packaging. Slide it out. Wow, look at that. Pull it all the way out. Okay, so it comes with a band. It's like a rubbery band. It's not terrible quality. Actually looks pretty good. Let me pop this out. Might put this one out first. Okay, so it looks like a clip with a USB. Maybe this is how you charge it on here. You click it on. I'm gonna pull this out, guys, and then I'll start the video back up. Alright, guys, I started the video back up and we got it all untangled. And it looks like, if you can see there, get it in the light, there's the little plug. And it's like a clip that you clip the unit onto, the watch itself. It's actually got pretty good weight to it. It says smart bracelet made in China. Yeah, there's where the plug goes in, the two copper. That's where the watch goes on. It is a little bit scratched up and dirty on the face of it. It's hard to see. There it is. You can see it's scratched up. Pretty dirty, nasty. It has the screen cover on it. I'll pull that off. I'm gonna plug it in and see if it charges up. And I'll see you a little bit for a few seconds for you guys. And there's a manual right in here too. Instruction manual. I'll post a link in the description for this watch, and I'll post a link for the real watch, Apple Watch, so you guys can compare both of them on the specs. And if you want to buy one, you can get it from there. Alright, I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, guys, I figured it out. So it does charge when I plugged it in. It was at 80%. I'm just going to click this button, and you can see right here, not very bright at all, but you can see that it actually turns on. Okay, so it's just a click. Okay, so you got a step counter. You got how many kilometers you've gone, calories you've burnt, BPM. Okay, it looks like all that it's had. Nope, it's got this thing. I don't know what that is. Maybe a level. Why it keeps turning off on me. Heartbeat. That's pretty cool. Sport mode, whatever that means. Sleep mode, see how many hours you get sleep. Message, so you can actually do messages on it. Sorry for the bad quality there. It's got weather. Find, that's probably what comes to your thing. Stopwatch, settings, shutdown, and back to the clock. That's pretty cool for the price it is. Not bad at all. That is an awesome watch. I'm gonna hook up the wrap strap to it, and I'll see how that works out. All right, guys, so I took it on, put it on. It actually fits pretty good. I mean, that's perfect. And it looks like exactly like an Apple Watch. Feels like one. I don't know, guys, it's pretty good. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. God bless.